Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to review Lakme Absolute Perfect Radiance Skin Lightening Compact. It comes with SPF 23 UVA and UVB protection. It cost me 180 rupees for 8 grams of product. And the packaging of this product is very simple and it is travel friendly. The shade I have bought is Ivory Fair. They also provide a puff to apply the product. You can see the shade of this compact. This shade suits fair to medium skin people. I have been using this product for many years. I use this product for daily use. The shade is very natural and does not give a made up look. It also blends very easily into your skin. It will lighten and brighten your skin instantly. It is also very lightweight and oil free. It does not clog your pores. So it is also perfect to use in summers. This Perfect Radiance Compact contains vitamin B3 which helps to lighten your skin tone. By using this regularly, you can see a difference in your skin tone. It will lighten your dark spots and dark patches. This compact gives you a matte finish. It also helps to soothe your skin and protect it from pollution. It also has SPF 23, so it forms a protective layer over the skin to keep away UVA and UVB rays. This product can be used by all skin types. It is really very good for oily skin people. It helps to absorb all the excess oil from your skin. For dry skin people, I recommend to use a moisturizer before applying this product because it may not give your skin a much smoother look if you have not applied any moisturizer. So to get a smooth look, make sure to apply a moisturizer before. There is also some other shade available in this. The fragrance of this product is also good. This is a pocket friendly product and is best for daily use. If you want to have a natural finish, then you can try this product. So overall, I like this product. This product is good to have if you are looking for a budget friendly compact. Hope you guys find this review helpful. Please do like, comment, share and don't forget to subscribe.